Welcome to Gratitude Inspirations, where tranquility meets transformation each evening. As the day winds down, let's immerse ourselves in calming affirmations to ease the mind and soothe the soul. Find a comfortable space, close your eyes, and allow the stresses of the day to melt away. Together, we'll cultivate peace and relaxation, preparing your mind and body for restful, rejuvenating sleep. I release the stress of today and embrace peace. My mind is calm and my body is relaxed as I prepare for sleep. I am thankful for the experiences of today. I welcome peaceful, restorative sleep. I release all worries, knowing tomorrow is a fresh start. My dreams tonight will be positive and rejuvenating. Sleep heals and refreshes my mind and body. I am surrounded by love and tranquility. My bedroom is a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. I am at ease and ready to welcome sleep with open arms. I drift off to sleep effortlessly, welcoming rest. My breathing is deep and even, calming my spirit. I am grateful for the comfort of my bed. I let go of today's thoughts and focus on this moment. I am safe, secure, and at peace tonight. I trust my body to guide me into restful sleep. My mind is quiet and my heart is light. I am worthy of a night filled with peace and tranquility. I fall asleep quickly and easily, feeling relaxed. I release any tension held in my body. I am grateful for the healing power of sleep. I fill my thoughts with love and positivity as I drift off. I let sleep wash over me like a soft, calming wave. With each breath, I release stress and invite serenity. I am surrounded by a protective energy as I sleep. My body is recharging and rejuvenating as I rest. I am grateful for the peace of the night. I welcome a night filled with rejuvenating sleep. I enter a place of deep, peaceful slumber. I breathe out negativity and breathe in peace. My soul is ready to explore beautiful dreams. I relax every part of my body, inviting sleep. I am thankful for the love and support in my life. I am ready to end this day with gratitude and sleep. I embrace the quiet of the night with a peaceful heart. I forgive myself and others, letting go of any hurt. I am drifting into a deep and undisturbed sleep. I am cocooned in warmth and comfort. I awaken tomorrow refreshed, energetic, and at peace. I trust that all is well in my world as I sleep. Thank you for allowing us to accompany you on this journey to serenity. May the calm you've embraced tonight follow you into a deep and restorative slumber, and may you awaken refreshed and renewed. If you enjoyed this evening's affirmations, please like, share, and subscribe to Gratitude Inspirations for more soothing sessions. Drift gently to sleep and awaken to a new dawn. Until next time, sleep well and dream deeply. Like and subscribe to my channel for daily and weekly affirmations and guided meditations.